Hey everyone, welcome to Sourcetable. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sourcetable for file analysis. So whatever kind of data you're using, Sourcetable has a lot of tools to help you analyze your file. First, you'll want to upload your data by clicking on File, and then selecting the type of file you have. So I've already uploaded my data set. I'm using data about monthly weather conditions in different locations. And there's a lot that Sourcetable can do to help me analyze my data. So if you have a specific question about your data set, you can just highlight your data and ask your question. So I'm just going to ask, what are the most notable differences in weather conditions between these three locations? Okay, so these results are really great. I get some metrics about my data, and then the AI actually used some context from the internet to dive deeper into what might be causing the differences in weather conditions. You can also use Sourcetable to analyze your data with visualizations. So for example, if I want to visualize the relationship between humidity and cloud cover, I can just highlight my data and ask for what I want. And here are my results. The AI provided this nice plot of humidity and cloud cover to help visualize the correlation between these two fields. If you're not sure where to start with your analysis, you can always have Sourcetable generate some prompts for you to help you kick off your analysis. So I'm just going to click Reset here to reset my chat, and that brings up the options that you start with when you open up a spreadsheet. So I'm just going to click Analyze. And Sourcetable's AI provides some prompts that are appropriate for the data that I'm working with. So Sourcetable is a great tool to help you analyze your data, whether you know where you're going with your analysis and you have specific questions, or you don't know where to start and you need some guidance. Thanks for watching.